Solve. Give exact answers and approximations to 3 decimal places. Find the distance between the points 3, 7 and -1, 8. So I've written the 2 points on the board, and now we want to apply the distance formula. Remember, the distance formula tells us d is equal to the square root of. Now, we take the difference in the x2 minus x1 squared and add to that the difference in the y's. So y2, which is 8, minus y1, which is 7, quantity squared. So d will be equal to the square root of -1 minus 3, quantity squared, is -4 squared. 8 minus 7 is, of course, 1, and that's 1 squared. So this would be equal to the square root of -4 quantity squared is 16 plus 1, so it's equal to the square root of 17. Now that's the exact answer, and the approximate answer to 3 decimal places is 4 and 123 thousandths.